EOG Mini Lesson number 13. So this is our last mini lesson. It says the table below shows the customers who ordered a new pizza at a restaurant for 6 days. So what is the interquartile range of the data? So interquartile range, so I have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start there. So I've got 16, 20, 23, 30, 35, 51. Then I find the median. So I cross off on each side. I have two numbers in the middle, so I have to add them together and divide by 2. So I'm doing 23 plus 30 in my calculator. And I'm dividing by 2. And I get 26.5. So when I write the 26.5 above it, that tells me that these three numbers make up the third quartile, and these three numbers make up the first quartile. So I find the median of the lower half, and I find the median of the upper half. So I have quartile 1, and I have quartile 3. So then to find the interquartile range, I'm going to subtract them. So I have 35 minus 20, and I get 15. So my answer should have been C. For the next one, they're asking which one has a lower median and interquartile range. So I'm going to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. Lucky for me, they gave me a dot plot, which makes it easier. So I have 80, 82, 83, 2 84s, 2 85s, 2 86s, an 87, and an 88. All right, the next one says I have to put the numbers in order for the boys' heart rate. So that would be 84, 84, then 4 85s, then 2 86s, then 187, 188, and a 90. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I just want to make sure I had all my data before I started. So they want to know which one has the lower median and interquartile range. So I'm going to start by finding the medians. So I cross off on each side until I find the middle number, 85. Okay, so they have the same median. So I know that neither one has a lower median. What, Isaac?
That's grandfather ship. That's grandfather. He's a 4 6.
All right, I'll be in there to watch with you in just a second, okay? All right, so now they want to know the interquartile range. So interquartile range means that I'm finding the median of the lower and the upper halves. So in this case, it's 85 and 87. So 87 minus 85. Isaac? Not right now. 87 minus 85, and I get 2. On the other side, I get 83 and 86. So I'm doing 86 minus 83, and I get 3. So the girls have a higher interquartile range. So D should be my correct answer. I don't have to find the mean to figure this out because I know that the girls have a higher interquartile range. All right, they want to know how much greater is the range in test scores for the first period than the range in test scores for the second period. So that's about, what, 97-ish? Minus like 57. So I get 30. This one's like 70 minus 97. No, it can't be 97. It has to be like 96 or something like that. Minus like 70. And I get 26. No. Yeah. Better double check my top one. Oh my gosh, my math isn't right. No wonder it's not working out. It should be 40. Jeez Louise. Okay, so I've got my stuff, and they want to know approximately how much greater is the range. So I subtract these two numbers, and I get about 14. Well, that's not one of the answer choices, but I did have to estimate with my numbers. So I'm going to go with the closest one, which is 12. Okay, so the difference in the ranges is about 12. The last one we're going to look at is the difference in the interquartile ranges from the number of minutes Steve practiced. So I'm going to start by putting my numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. And then I'm going to do the second set. So I've got all right. So then I'm going to find the median. Find the median again. Then I find the median of each box. Okay, so, and from here I subtract the third quartile and the first quartile. So 32 minus 20 for the first set, and I get 12 for my interquartile range. And then for the second set, I'm doing 35 minus 16. And I get 19. So from there, I have to find the distance between the two because they want the difference in the interquartile range. So I do 19 minus 12, and I get 7. All right, if you have any other questions, please let me know. There's no cool down today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.